bringing. It's on.
It's terrible.
Well, you know, I get more in sync with God. I used to be farther away, but now I'm starting to get back.
Oh, I am going to church more, and I'm bringing friends so they can learn about God.
I've probably grown in my faith because last year I started an adoption with my family to adopt 2 little boys from Liberia, Africa. I got to tell so many people about this awesome thing that my mom and dad were doing, and that kind of helped me get over like my shyness at church and such.
I've gotten to know everybody better, so it's easy to relate to them.
My faith has improved since last time because I'm more devoted to church this year than I ever was. Like I help out at FaithWorks and I come to Firehouse a lot more often than I used to.
Well, from last year, I feel like I went to church more like in 7th grade and stuff, and I like it more, and I understand Aaron's speeches or whatever a lot more. Yeah, his messages a lot more.
I really, ever since Camp Adventure, it was a big change because it was such an emotional experience for me. It was a lot of fun at the same time, and just really enjoyed it. The worship there was great. Probably participating a lot more in church and do a lot more of the activities that go on in small group or the entire church itself.
Okay, I got this.
No, you
Say
don't.
the question again.
Do more with church like he said, but mainly spread God's word to others and help more people get to church and go in the right direction.
To help someone that needs help in the next year, or help more than one person.
He probably has planned for me that I'm going to have more siblings than just the 2 boys from Africa and the rest of my siblings, and I'm probably going to grow up and adopt some kids myself, because having been adopted and having more kids come in as they get adopted has changed me heart-wise, and it makes me see that adopting's really good and it helps a lot.
To help little kids in Sunday school and like teach kids about God.
It's hard to tell because you don't know exactly what God's plan is for you until like it happens. Like it could take years and years for it to happen, but like I really enjoy performing in front of people, and so it might have to do something with that, but you never know until it happens.